Okay, I'm about to calibrate the pH meter, so I'm going to start by hitting the red box. And then I'm going to hit calibrate, and then I'm going to hit calibrate now. I'm going to go ahead and put in pH 4, and I'm just taking it out of the storage solution, and then I'm going to rinse it in water. And then from there we're going to put the probe in the pH 4 solution with the bulb right below the water line. And then we're waiting over here until the voltage stabilized at 2.42. And then we're going to press keep. And then we're going to take our probe and rinse it in the water. We're going to go ahead and put 7 down here. We're going to stick it in the pH 7 buffer solution and wait till the voltage stabilizes again. Okay, and it looks like it stabilized at 1.7, and we're going to hit keep. And then hit OK. And then we're going to take our probe and then rinse it in the water one more time. And then put it in the storage.
Box in the middle, click calibrate, then I'm going to hit calibrate now, and I'm going to go ahead and hit 4 because we're calibrating with the pH 4 buffer. So I'm going to take the probe, taking it out of the storage solution, and I'm rinsing it in H2O. And now I'm going to place it in the pH 4 buffer right below the water line, keeping the probe vertical, and we're waiting for the voltage to stabilize. It looks like it's stabilized at around 2.41, and I'm going to press keep. And then I'm going to take the probe out of the pH 4 buffer solution. I'm going to rinse it again in the H2O. And I'm going to go ahead and press 7 for the new calibration. And now I'm going to place it in the pH 7 buffer. And we're waiting again for the voltage to stabilize. It looks like it's stabilized at around 1.74, and we're going to press keep. And then we're going to press OK. I'm going to take it out of the pH 7 buffer, rinse it again in water, and then put it back in the storage.
Place it by pressing the big red box, press calibrate. And we're going to calibrate now. And we're going to take the probe out of the storage solution, place it in the H2O to rinse it off. And then we're going to place the probe into the pH 4 buffer and wait for the voltage to stabilize. We're going to press 4. Okay, looks like the voltage has stabilized to 2.42, so we're going to keep it. Then we're going to take the probe out of the pH 4 buffer and rinse it off with the H2O, and then place it in the pH 7 buffer. It's stabilized at 1.7, so we're going to keep it, and then rinse it off with water, put it back in the storage solution, and then we're going to press OK.
Okay, we're taking the pH of our unknown, and the pH meter has already been calibrated. So that means all we have to do is take our probe out of the storage solution and rinse it in the H2O. And we're going to stick the probe in the unknown with the probe right below the water line. And we're going to read the pH on our calibrated pH meter once it's stabilized. And it looks like it's stabilized at a pH of 3.37. So we're going to take the probe out of our unknown and rinse it in the H2O. And then put it back in the storage. And now I'm going to record the pH of my unknown in my notebook, 3.37.
So the pH meter has already been calibrated. So I'm going to take it out of the storage solution. I'm going to rinse it in the H2O. I'm going to take it out, keeping it vertical, and I'm going to place it in my unknown. And as we're waiting for the pH reading to stabilize, pH meter stabilized at around 5.2. I'm going to take it out of the solution, rinse it in a little H2O, and place it back in the storage solution. I'm going to record the pH of the unknown, and it was 5.2.
The pH meter is already calibrated, so I'm going to take the probe out of the storage solution, rinse it in the water. I'm going to place it into our unknown, and I'm going to wait for the pH to stabilize. The pH stabilized at 6.29, so I'm going to take the probe out of the unknown, rinse it off the H2O, and place it back in the storage. The pH of that unknown solution was 6.29.